I bet y'all can't guess what I'm sitting in. I'm a Cobra now. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. This is my buddy Tay's GT350. He tossed me the keys. I'm like, dude, don't threaten me with a good time. So here we go. So I've never drove a 350. So obviously I've heard and seen the videos. So obviously this is the Voodoo, not a regular Coyote. 6-speed. The whole deal. This thing is wild. 8,500 RPM, baby. Freaking wild. Holy crap. It's a little soft down low, but I'm telling you what, you get about 4,500 to 5 grand. This thing is nuts. Alright, so 4 grand. The brakes are nuts. These have the 16-inch, I guess they're carbon ceramics. I guess, I don't know. But wow. That ain't no hype, that is legit. Frick. You need to drive one. That is nuts. Okay, well, fun time's over. Okay, that's not good. Oh yeah, we got wasps everywhere. Okay, so you guys saw the video. We're pulling the AOD out of Pop's car. First, I gotta harvest some pedals out of this car. And there's no telling what's living in here, but hey, we gotta get it done. So let's go. Come on, baby. Of course I didn't bring a ratchet out here. That's how it usually goes. ratchet, we can continue on. It's stuck. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, come on. There it is. But
can you put the pedals in without taking it all the way out?
Yeah, you gotta take the steering column out. Get in there.
I'm sure you would have ordered that new pedal kit and been doing it.
No, I'm not that fancy. God bless. There they are. Mission accomplished. Well, guys, here's the thing. Both lifts are taken. And we got to get the drivetrain out of this car. So, we're just going to get it kind of old school here. And drop it all out the bottom. And you're probably thinking to yourself, oh, you're going to put a TKX or T56 in Pop's car? No. I'm putting that T5 in it. Yeah. Hopefully it's good. Because we pretty much got all the goodies out of it. We're going to drop engine and trans. And of course, the 8.8 out of it. And send it on because, yeah, we've pretty much gutted this thing. But yeah, this should be lots of fun. Yeah, Kevin pulling up, making all that noise. What's all that noise for?
Nothing.
God bless. Alright, we got the struts loose. This might be a little sketchy. Yeah, another reason you guys saying save it. Look at this car. This thing's through. This was not a Southern car. Shit, I had the dang.
I told you to hold it.
I had it.
He told you, Caleb.
I know it. I know. Shit.
Fall through. Yeah, it's you can fall through.
Yeah, this car's rusty. There you go, kid.
Cut it all, right?
I don't exactly know what's gonna happen here.
Cut them.
It should be interesting.
It's shitty, man.
Yeah, oh yeah. It's all kinds of rusty.
Oh shit.
Hey, we gotta evacuate that air conditioning there, Kevin.
I'd probably cut it up here where it's solid.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. And like here. I just wanted to spray.
I ain't got nothing in it.
Are you? Yeah, that's what you think.
I promise you there's nothing in that air. As soon as I say that. Look
at the frame rail on both sides.
There ain't no frame rail on this thing. Yeah, he made a dent.
Let me get it right here. I don't want to cut the frame.
You ain't gonna hurt it, I promise. Huh?
You're not.
I ain't got one in my pocket. That's all right, it'll rip when we drop it.
Front bolt look.
Holy crap, yeah.
Other one's the same way.
God bless. So we're gonna have to cut the K-member bolts out.
Huh?
They're done, dude.
They are done, ain't they?
Wow. That about wasn't nothing to hold this freaking engine in.
Yeah, it ain't much there. That's just a scary.
I could have sworn this was a Southern car too. Well, this should be interesting. Oh, there goes the cart. Come on, baby.
Hey, you take a motor out.
Look, there ain't no frame left over there.
I know. That's how you take it out. Yeah.
It's holding on.
Oh, we don't leave. Look. Look at my customer.
Yeah, ain't nothing on that side.
No, that's why I cut the rail.
Yeah.
Hey, you pull the steering shaft out though?
Yeah. All of it.
Oh, we gotta cut the cable.
Yeah. Stick out the frame rail.
Well, I mean, it will
Damn thing is not wanting to give it up.
Yeah, this ain't working.
Man, this thing will just not give it up. Drive shaft's definitely holding it some. It's all on motion. Yeah, both bolts are out of there. It's gotta be the drive shaft holding it.
We gotta get that shroud out.
Yeah. We're about to get serious, right? Yeah. What do you think, Kevin? That'll get it, won't it?
Bring out the big gun.
Yeah. It's coming out now, one way or another. I agree. I just don't want to give it up.
We'll just wrap a chain around the lower and you just pull the lower forward. Uh-huh. Yeah. You talking about the...
Why not?
Huh?
You talking about the strong arms or the radiator support?
The radiator support. Just where it, the fan.
He pulled that forward, it should drop.
Do it to it.
He might want to just let it down because it's coming out now.
Yeah, it's gonna go out.
It's coming out. You might want to let it down. It's gonna fall. It's going to come down.
That radiator support is gonna break before it does much of anything. They're not made of nothing.
No.
At all. This thing would not give it up. Ford tough.
I knew they were getting aggravated. You see them get
Hopefully it didn't jack up my...
Like,
That's my new T5 right there. Hopefully it's good.
Bang them up, bro.
Man,
Oh, damn.
Kevin, we don't have that much fun
No.
every day. What? Oh crap, that's our
Hey, Delbert. Leave the tractor. We got
messed up our cart.
Man.
We had a plan. Yeah.
Never fails, bro.
No, it doesn't. I need to get a job at a salvage yard. Oh, hello. There's our cart. There it is. Let's keep pulling, it'll go.
Fuel line.
Yeah, don't cut that.
Cut the fuel line.
Man, that thing's strong.
What? Hey!
There you go. That's wild. This car is so stock. It still has the original lift plates on it.
Yeah, it's just original lift plate, man.
All the smog was still on it.
It's easy.
That's wild. We're gonna put this motor in Jesse.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Throw it in.
Put a HO in Tay's F-150. We'll be good to go.
I might want to go back all stock.
Well, there you go. Yeah. Y'all do what you want with it. I just need the trans. Yeah, you're gonna have to get tension on it though.
Hey! Hey, come on up.
Yeah, my side ain't good. Hey.
All right, go up.
He's a swinging.
Hey, you gotta buy some oil now.
What is that? Is that gear oil? They put gear oil in this thing. Oh yeah, that trans is probably screwed then.
We got tools.
Yeah.
We got my tea. My tea is most important.
That was a good day. I wish we could do that every day.
Yeah.
Don't you think, Brady? We'll just do that every day.
I don't
There's a
know.
GT500
Making them nice and finishing them is the hard. Yeah.
There's GT350 in there. Let's try cutting it out.
Hey, yeah.
See what's
Sure.
fastest.
Swap that thing.
It's already had some stuff.
Huh?
Yeah, it's got plenty of work.
Yeah, plenty.
Yeah, but we're gonna see. Did y'all time this?
Huh?
That green one.
It took longer than I.
Got that green one.
Yeah, we can part that green one out up there. Well, you said 350, so I mean the green one's fair game. Yeah,
That's right.
that's true.
Well,
Fair game, dude.
y'all
fair
don't want
game.
push rods.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
true,
for Coyote, you can cut that out. And,
true.
you know what I mean?
All right, boys, mission accomplished. Got the engine and trans, got the pedals, all that good stuff. About ready to get Pop's car swapped, done, and a 5-speed back in it. I know you're thinking I'm crazy putting that crusty old T5 in it, but you know what? It's there. We're gonna just do it old school. It's been rebuilt. You can see they've been into it. Clean that thing up. Yes, I'm gonna put a T56 or a TKX in it at some point, but I'm not doing it right now because I've already spent way too much money on that car this year. And we've got another T5 in there. If that one's junk, yank it out and throw the other one in. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I know we sure had a hell of a time doing it. And if you enjoyed this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.